Dumela mogaetso dikgang ke tsa Setswana e tla re diale. Boemo jwa lelapa le le tsereng jaaka batshwarwa kwa Tshwane bo fedile ka matlhotlhapelo morago ga gore lepodisi le le neng le tshwere maloko a lelapa la gagwe ka lobaka la diura di le dintsi le thuntse ngwana wa ga kgaitsadie wa dingwaga tsa 10 pele le ipolaya. Thapelo Mashego wa dingwaga tse 32 o tshwere mmaagwe le setlogolo sa gagwe ka diura tse di fetang 15 ka la bobedi kwa Mamelodi kwa botlhaba jwa Motsemogolo. Morago ga diura di le dintsi tsa dipuisano le mapodisi, lepodisi le ne la golola mmaagwe yo o neng a alafiwa. Mme mapodisi a ne a boela gore fa ba tsena mo ntlong ba ne ba fitlhela lepodisi le setlogolo sa gagwe sa dingwaga tse 80 ba sulwe ka ntlha ya dikgobalo tsa ditlhobolo.
As the negotiations proceeded, it took almost 16 hours of negotiations, trying to negotiate with the constable. At around 23 hours 53, the tactical team comprising of a special task force went inside. Of course, in the process, the negotiators were still negotiating to see if the constable will come out, while the team was tactically proceeding inside the house. In the process, while the team was approaching, just before they entered into the house, 2 shots were heard, and as they checked inside the house, it was found that the constable has taken his life. He committed suicide.
Do we know details around the 18-year-old? Is he okay?
The 18-year-old was found. Unfortunately, he passed.
Any details around what happened
at the moment? At the moment, there's gunshot wounds on the 18-year-old. Further details, it will be found or revealed after the whole crime scene is cleared as to how many actually bullet wounds on the body of the 18-year-old.
Drug addict a support ya itse selo ka motho wa nne ntwa ishupang o ka lebella go nna ka tsena ka ke ka maka grachi pele ke fake nna go ya ka ya koloto because of it's ka low a usa ka le tshepiso Mashego le a buta ka Timothy Mashego bam frameile ba etsa ba re ditumetse ngwana a usaka o wa dilo ka yena ntena ga tshepiso beneficiary gore nna ba khono go drift away from the main plan yang assassinate bona ba sale lefa because of baitse ba re ha ba lemoha gore rona ni will ke yona actually bigger things ba ra ba will ba prayer because mama ka itse le ka phone na ba access nna ba mblokile ba mama ka ba mo convince sore na tsuba ina go mutsa chelete tla ke mo tsheditse chelete ba tsama phone ya ka wa pula so da ka selesile
yeah
ba altarile ngwana kwa hae ka di one me ba mblokile ba itse be registered go seletsile ngwana ba balla go nthusa and phone la sinka tshela ke na le more than 10 years to experience batho ba hore ba tsora tsa access ya bophelo ba ka le financial le financial interest tsa go ke emeka ba khonno bona lo re investment ka di bula lo wena e tsane ka di tswalla or ka di go ba tsaba le na bana le information how nna le mane mo wa taxi boss ba re ke type tshwana le tsang yena ke na o ka reka dinka tsa di kale ke ntse ke sandiwa morao ke le under surveillance mo hae mo always all the time ke le mo hae or kana go ya mmerkong ke le mo hae go phela go feta chopa go tsang hona le di drone ha ta ele batho ba ba tsamaya ka di private understand the thing is organized also happen le ka community because of I'm just a liability mo community a ke ba thusi ka sela ke boledi se motho ka te bona ke nano ka re ke pese ama ka yena e works for yena o favora ngwana e leng gore ke motsosa tšhelete mama ka ba complaina ka nna gore ke motsosa tšhelete go na le di-transactions tse di tswelelang tsa each and every year ke bona sa ke romela ditšhelete ko mama go na le mothata o mongwe ba re ke thapela e go kwa recorda jokolo ba re ke thapelo ke tšhomi ya butaka ke ena wa IT ya connectseng batho ba nsala morago go na le connection ya ba metro le ntse ba ba atekang ka mo di-prostitute club tsa ka mo toropong ngwana ko hae wa ausaka wa tlhokofetseng o le re na le utlwana ba mo kidnapile batho ba they have the information ba mo kidnapile
ke bina go botsisa ka yena ro kae
ka ke twa itse ba mo kidnapile ke ba etsa gore nna ke follow delete because of by tsore nna ke se bokana kana ntle ke tlo isa go pele kana ke diksetela manaba so mara e ba ka re nna ka hapa ya ntubeme kale ke ntse ke nane enga issues ka mo ke gatsisa le ke di drugs but I'm telling you now it don't make sense because of this thing. It was well orchestrated and well planned, but should you guys start to follow the lead Mamelodi West ka OB nani buka ngwara ngwala ya di affidavit inane that OB number ke attachile ke sendile di photo mo ntringela mo social media plopo already tse ba altari this thing it was well planned to ha ba to tsamaya mo ba yo tima network ya phone social di phone di tloba di 2% waya what matshaba ke tsitsa ta ba nke tse mmere ba botlang tsene ya ka mama ka papa ka Tipiso le Timochi abuta ka lausana ba tlile mo baya Petersburg na karto ya lenyalo ba tla nona lenyalo hapa family ngwa hape ya mamaka le yona e teng mo floko kana system mamaka le papa ka nnete ya plan ya bona re yo fella kae cause e ba ka ntshwara ne plan le bona ba boditse no go frame wa ka tshwari wa ka fiwa dilo ya bo ka rena maybe no go commit something serious then ka tsama mengwa as punishment by it or mama ka pleki I'm going to yeah when I would like it but I really plan sawara mama shi so go go to se di tlo tlo sawara ne ba etsa bjalo ha ba feta ka mona mona ke tsa mfono na ba e publish ba tla so yo ba evidence ba te berikisa gore nna ne ke le regular se ne ke hafa ba ke ka follow up paper trade ya di account tsa ka Nedbank la level ka mo old mutual security checks couple checking if who gave a alteration either way because those people they've already accessed it, they know how broke I am, they know what I'm nothing, and then they know what shoot kiswe nal papa ka reswe le mama ka aswe abayo krasira that money will go to the trust so their plan was to mislead my mom to push taba or by Petersburg. And Petersburg bona ba peta. Bona ba buile ba peta go thabi. Ba khapa le ke boyfriend ya Zandile Tyson. Just imagine my brother uncle Kufa. So Tyson o ke chomi ya motho ke bereka le constable motho wa na thang go Selvathi. Ne? Ai mani na imelwa too much. Apala go ntata re America ba mfile kolo ai yetsa andrekisa lena hore ke America ka dipota kana ke America ditimari phone ka roba so kana di Friday night here berka night shift ene ke bukile go Selvathi nna OB number go Selvathi ai me le OB number ya ka go level le hore ke number ba me sa vice proof on ke America information ke file ke motho one that's level la di follow tsa ba to treat everything ala ai tlo ba go di to phone etse I miss a speaker for Ghana to the Mutik and Intensi para Espanyana Basha. Such a good which is Estic Silla Colore when I'm taking short at the video. Can you throw away sorry and all an information in the there was a meeting about lecturing about Horbatunga Sassinitalia. So, but Babusi, Banapi, the community, framing the fancy teachers are going. We tell us about Garangada, none of us are like level like a pond. Private, yeah, that you like the come on my own pace. Baba next never destroying them and destroy that till I will never make no solar. What the access? Or one to sell you, I chicken, Nagar Nagin Nagi. What ngwana mobe o le reng ka mosenyetsa
So no ho etsahalang no Thapelo.
bona o bane o tse bana ba kwatisa keng ka mamaka ba kwatisa gore mamaka ai utlwela ke hantle moshako bano mamaka o itsetsalang mamaka yena o lebetso kana o na le wila e go Nedbank le really ela o fakile nna le papaka e serena mara bona ba bone ba re nna ke nna le ba re nna le papa ke rena bona ba flexes so abutaka jo abutaka wa bona
Thapelo no like ho etsahalang mo leng.
no we don't allow it's already Saturday and she have something that I mean go with the bank get the bank package
Randile ke mangi girlfriend da hao.
yes yena o la mama team goes
Yeah.
yes ke na nna ya buta
So girlfriend da hao no nna le abuta hao.
talent and yena from 2020 from 2020 nna ke nna le sandile ke moshia maemo ja mmerekong a buta kana tena a nyoba at least ya thoma mo ka le bona ba mpitse ka tharo re ke fofane ke sa bona hore ngwana o a se wa ka ni o ne tufana tore ntweo e kwatisa sedimo se se le monna ke na le mpho na ba ntswalla ka yona mama ka nna yona mpho eo mama ka o iphethile o iphile le tsela eo badimo ba bo mme wa ka ba mfile di tlabakelo tsotlhe re be yena shireletsa malapa ba o fe mama ka a khetha Jesu mara yena la pala ela ba shapa family ya mama ka aba morate ba botla we don't even know this family is being disliked ha go lo blind le mo community e bolela blind ha go le mpa itse rena ke motho lo kantse ke bolela taba tsa mo family ko strategy so bona ba iwina ka mkhuka side ya dora o la vele ke masipa nna ke masipa vele ke apisa mama ka ka ngirisa ene ka mo mama ka still wa itse re mpho e wana le nyona tantsi fetele ko still wa itse re o shiamang o shiamna ka motho e ya hae ba la ba ba bona le o tsara la tiketebo o boletse tsara ka tiketebo terta community da bona but it is bona information o tlekishedly you were wiped out that's how well orchestrated training that is para ba le bella chelete ela mo inya ena buta bona dikoloto tse baya ena ba dile ke te botlhoko thata mo pelong my god ba re tsayena o liora to a plan ya hore ke tshwariwe fake because I give violation
So wena sa ya mmereko.
ke tsaya mmereko dama na sa don ta tan tsebiso ke ta ke tola nna ka ya ka kulia ka tloka ka bua ka mene ha ba bona ne and then another thing akuta kuzamile ba verisa chumiaka orange bike mongezi chembeza kwa extension for Popular Police Station na internet cafe yena antshelle ka mo drinking a feila abuta ka ntse yang kisa mahu o lusaka go benta ka tleo banka piela dijo tselo ditlong robatsa ba itse re rata dijo gimpya a robala kuma kuleng just imagine ka ma 12 watt ba robala ba tsotle batho ba tsontse ka nka badi kwatla ba bodi ka le lo wane bodi sa ne ke bere ka lona gona mo unity ne ke bere kang ya ba ile nang favor alfusa ka papa matsintay wera skili sila evan nisenyona ka parents ka mkuba blang ba ba go swatini what it's ya agita how many hours for each system maybe more than 3 and by the time actually ka pila blind reaction time le bona ifa susi ke ba go no bona go go ba sidi mo sekenaring so ya le bona ba tumo pim the last result ya ba ya hore o nyaka namba o mmereko gona o ba o itse ke tsamilela butaka ka le la ha bosanti bona kwa go west and na ke re go west ke tsene ke go mafia sa ke tsene mara ba itse hore a butaka lo re a e shire go chika tele ha tsena ka mona butaka ina na ba mofa se na batho nka pelang sona mabane and ke di chile jotsa and di chile la ta na ne ke di bereka ke pia e go pia mo yo ke ne tsa ka di ga stol di bereka ka ka ba le go botsa tsona bona go hai bona evidence ba na yona against nna ka ni is digital it photo and what not now it's everything written here and then the obvious aba yetena mo bona ba itori ke rela go mama ka crucial information one time so look at get fit to go jo kopela nshare le di do tse jo ka kopela jo
ke ra re no mo hae mo leng ho etsahala
ba tsena le mama ka ba tsena ba tsena le mama ka jona ke tla ke mama ka go ka kopela
bo mang ba teng ba kontle
ba bontle ba bodisa le bona batho ba tsaitseng dingadi ka kopela
so kante wa sa phone le 10 trap so kante wa sa phone le 10 trapolwane Thapelo at least
ba bona already ke a raba batho ba bona information go botsa yona jona ba ite tama la speaker o boletse o ka almost bo 20 minutes at tlhalosa the whole plan and o tla jana ma ona go nama e re dileng kena Tyson o Angela Mosadi no o jela le tiboti ba mangwana ai go tla ke nna ke ne ke tsa dilele mangwana
so no go heno o surrounded ke maphodisa
bena ke thibantiba
yo
ni abo ifiti ikwenta bana ke pedi 18 fe au sa ka ka mo tsa le ntwa go sa phone la ke anonymous nya go no block le ka se ai ma wa bona le
hey yeah
o de pale kwa last week au sa ka e padi la ke nne le bona ka mona ka mo de pale because I had a feeling